Helo pawb, dyma fideo bach gloi I ddangos chi gwmpas tudalen YouTube Ceredigion Actif. Hi everyone, here's just a short video to show you around the Ceredigion Actif YouTube channel. Os ewch chi lan i'r bar chwilio a teipo I fewn Ceredigion Actif, if you go to the search bar and type in Ceredigion Actif, fidewch chi i'r tudalen hon. You'll come to this page. Cliciwch ar gylch. Click on the circle. Yna, cliciwch ar y Playlist tab. Then, click on the Playlist tab. Dyma, fe welwch chi bod pob playlist wedi trefnu o dan deitl gwahanol. Mae sawl grŵp wedi anelu at naill ai oedran neu sgil gwahanol. Here you will see that every playlist has been organised under a different title. There are many groups aimed at either a different age or a different skill. Maen nhw'n cynnwys dysgu sgiliau sylfaenol, learning foundation skills, datblygu a gwella sgiliau, developing and improving skills, cadw'n heini, keeping fit, iechyd, health, hyrwyddau ac ymgyrchoedd, promotions and campaigns. O dan pob grŵp mae yno fideos gwahanol. Dyma sgiliau sylfaenol. Mae hyn wedi anelu at plant ifanc, naill ai yn meithrinfeydd neu cyfnod sylfaen. In the foundation skills section, it is aimed at younger children, the nursery school or foundation phase. Yn fan hyn, mae adnoddau I blant cyfnod allweddol 2 a syniadau gwersi i'r athrawon. Mae yna hefyd gemau, bydd y plant yn chwarae mas yn y iard gyda llys gynhadon neu adre yn y ardd. In this section, we have resources for Key Stage 2 children and lesson ideas for their teachers. There are also games the children could be playing with the ambassadors out on the yard or that they can try at home in the garden. Yn yr adran cadw heini, fe all weld y fideos fit and pimp I gyd. Hefyd, mae yna gweithgareddau I wneud yn y dosbarth a syniadau sgiliau o glybiau ar draws Ceredigion I gyd. In the Keeping Fit section, you can find our famous Fit and Pimp videos all together here. There's also classroom movements and skills and fitness ideas from clubs from all across Ceredigion. Mae adran iechyd wedi anelu at oedolion, gyda dosbarthiadau 60 ac yn uwch, sesiynau nyrs a teithiau cerdded ar-lein. The health section is aimed at adults, with the 60+ virtual classes, the GP referral and nurse sessions, and some virtual walks all in here. Mae adran olaf yn cynnwys sgiliau pêl-droed I ddathlu Euro 2020 ac yn hymgyrch iechyd meddwl. The promotions and campaigns section include football skill videos to celebrate Euro 2020 and our important mental health campaign. Gobeithio bod chi'n mwynhau ein tudalen. We hope you enjoy our page.